Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about data expectation. So in pipeline builder, how we do write the data expectation, because that is the very important topic and no one actually talks about on that on YouTube. So I thought to make a video on that one. So please continue in this video. So I'll explain all the things thoroughly. Okay, so suppose we have a data pipeline which is already in my system. I have made the data pipeline. Okay, so these are the inputs file and some transformation I have applied, and now this is the final output data set I have deployed. This one, these three data sets. So first let me show you the this is the output data set, right? So here exactly we will be applying the data expectations. So just let's compare. So this is the output pipeline outputs. So these are the output data sets which are nothing but these nodes, that is already I have deployed it. Okay, so first I'll compare this with these names so that you will be able to understand exactly these are the outputs over here on this tab. You can see it, right? So this is the customer lifetime value, and this is the joint transaction product customer. So this is nothing but this one, and this is the last three joint transaction products. So this is this one. So suppose if you want to put some data expectations, so how do we do that? Okay, so come to here, coming to the customer lifetime value. This is the one output data set. I'll be clicking on edit. So here you can see there is a lot of options are available, mainly 4 options you can see here. So configure expectation, configure write mode, configure write format, configure marking. So rest 3 also I'll be making the video in future. Yeah, so first we are going with the this data expectation. So now let's see what is the data expectation. So data expectation on output dataset can be used as a checks to perform pipeline stability. So this is nothing but, so whatever we are writing a pipeline, we are building the pipeline, right? So data expectation we are writing just like, suppose if we have a column in that is primary key, and suppose primary key should not have, right, null or duplicate value. So if we will not put here primary key as a data expectation, so in while indexing, so this is the very important topic for the interview perspective as well. So interviewer will be asking, like, while indexing, so they will ask like you are trying to making a data set as a objects. So while indexing, it will fail, right? So this is the condition. So why it will be failing? Just because there is primary key value in which in a column which was the primary key, but it is getting failed just because there is null or duplicate values there. So that's the question they will be asking you. So this is the one way how you can resolve the problem. So this is the problem, and this is the solution for data expectation is the solution for that, right? So let's come to the as you already now you are able to understand what is data expectation. So now come to here, 8 data expectations. So there is further lot of functions, list of the data expectations are available. So see here, row label value is one of primary key, row count value is not null. So suppose in our case, just you can go through with this and you will be able to understand all things. It's not very hard. So I am putting here primary key. So this is the behavior actually. So primary key we are putting. So what error behavior is fail. So what will happen? There is two options actually, fail and warn. So if you will be putting here warn, then the dataset will go for the build up, but continue for the build up, but it will give warning only and dataset build up. If you will put here fail, then the dataset will fail the entire build. So it will fail the build actually. So it will not allow to build the data set you can say. So and column actually, so you need to select the column for which we are putting here data expectation as a primary key on customer ID. So this is what you can put it. So you can another one here itself you can put if you want to add another data expectation, just like any rows you don't want to, any column you don't want to be the null for that one. In that row should not be null, right? Assert that the value of the provided column is not fully not null for any rows in the dataset. So in a row, in a column, if there is any row is null, then it will fail. So if you want to have a warning or fail condition, if you want to put as per your expectation, you can put and you can apply. So these things in code repository we have to write the code, right? So is not null, is null. So this kind of data expectation we write over there, but here we have built-in function in pipeline builder, so we will be utilizing that one. Okay, so I hope you got after applying. Yeah, so data expectation will show here missing parameter with ID column. So ID column I did not provide it, so let's just let it be name I am putting over here. So that was the reason it was showing the warning or error, you can say, while putting. So two data expectation I have written over here, so it will resolve the problem. So going forward, if anything important data set is there, so primary key is there, so you can put a data expectation like this. Okay, so I hope you got the point. So if you want to if you want to have training with me, so please you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll be providing training. It will be reasonable cost, so don't worry about that one. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.